Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your domain name on BlueHost in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to come on bluehost.com, then click on this login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your email address or your user ID and your password, and you need to simply log in into your BlueHost account first. Now, once you have successfully done that, when you are ready to have your account renamed, you can simply contact to them by phone or chat. Be sure that you include the following information to actually expedite the request. You need to select whether it is a primary domain, new domain, or last four character of your cPanel password. Confirm that you have read and understand account rename information. So basically, in order to change your domain name on Bluehost, you need to contact to the customer service. So in order to do it, you need to come on Bluehost, and here in the bottom you will be able to see their contact us button. In the top right hand corner as well, you will see their help section where you can contact them on these given numbers, and you can even click on the chat now option in order to chat with them. Here you can send them a message that you want to change your domain name, and they are going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.